Okay, so for this first video of the McGill Big 3, we are going to do the bird dog. We want to have the hands right underneath our shoulder. We want the knees right underneath our hips. And we're first going to start with just doing an arm reach. If that feels solid and stable, then we're going to move on to a leg reach. Once we're comfortable with that, then we're going to do opposite. So we're going to go right arm, left leg. And we're just going to feel like we reach our arms straight out. We reach the legs straight out. And now we're trying to just maintain this nice flat position. We don't want to arch and go up into this sway back position. So once again, we're going to do an arm reach, a leg reach. We're going to hold for 10 seconds. And then we're going to repeat 3 on each side.